session. Today we'll discuss 11.4 trigonometry, continuation of the previous video. Let's see the first problem. It is on the board. Simplify 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cot square theta. Let's see the solution. The given data is 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cot square theta. Here if you observe, it is a minus b into a plus b. That is nothing but a square minus b square. A square is nothing but 1 square minus b square is nothing but cos square theta into 1 plus cot square theta. Now 1 square means 1 minus cos square theta into 1 plus cot square theta. Now 1 minus cos square theta is nothing but sin square theta by identity. So it is sin square theta into 1 plus cot square theta is nothing but cosecant square theta by identity. Now sin square theta is as it is into cosecant square theta we can express as 1 by sin square theta. Now sin square theta get cancelled. Finally the answer is 1. Hence 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cot square theta equals to 1. Let's see the another question that is on the screen. If secant theta plus tan theta equal to phi, then what is the value of secant theta minus tan theta? Now see the solution. The given data is secant theta plus tan theta equals to p. But we know the identity, that is secant square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. This we can express as secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta equals to 1. But according to the question, secant theta plus tan theta is how much? P given. Substitute here. So P into secant theta minus tan theta equals to 1. So P is signed to the right hand side. Then secant theta minus tan theta equals to 1 by P. We will solve another question to enhance our skill. That is, if cosecant theta plus cot theta equal to k, then prove that cos theta equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Let's see the solution. It is one of the important question. Now the given data is cosecant theta plus cot theta equals to k. So let us assume as equation 1. Now we know that identity is cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. We can express this cosecant theta plus cot theta into cosecant theta minus cot theta equals to 1. According to the question, cosecant theta plus cot theta is how much? K. So now I am substituting the value of that, k into cosecant theta minus cot theta equals to 1. Now cosecant theta minus cot theta equals to 1 by k. This is equation 2. Now add equation 1 and 2. So here cosecant theta plus cot theta equals to k. Now cosecant theta minus cot theta equals to 1 by k. Now plus cot theta minus cot theta get cancelled. Next cosecant is 2 cosecant theta equals to k plus 1 by k. Now here 2 cosecant theta equals to k plus 1 by k. LCM 2 cosecant theta equal to k square plus 1 by k. Now we'll find the cosecant value. Cosecant theta equals to k square plus 1 by 2k. Cosecant theta in terms of sides is hypotenuse by opposite side. Now we'll subtract the two equations. 1 and 2. What is the first equation? That is the cosecant theta plus cot theta. Cosecant theta plus cot theta equal to k. What is the second equation? That is cosecant theta minus cot theta equals to 1 by k. Now we are going for subtraction. During the subtraction, the symbols will be changed. So here minus plus minus. So here plus cosecant theta minus cosecant theta get cancelled. Cot theta plus cot theta is how much? Cot theta plus cot theta is 2 cot theta. So here 2 cot theta equal to k minus 1 by k. So 2 cot theta equal to k square minus 1 by k. Now cot theta equal to k square minus 1 by 2k. Now what is the formula of cot theta in terms of sides? That is adjacent side by opposite side. Now next step, cos theta equals to, in terms of sides, the formula is adjacent side by hypotenuse. So cos theta equals to adjacent. Adjacent is how much from this cot theta? That is how much? K square minus 1 by hypotenuse. From this we can calculate, that is k square plus 1. So finally we prove that cos theta equals to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1.